Imagine this. Two space stocks, both are watching Earth from satellites. Both are selling future intelligence to governments and big institutions. Both sound futuristic, almost sci-fi level stuff. But the real question is, which one actually has the power to survive and grow in the long run? Planet Labs versus BlackSky. And if you are watching this because you hold one of them, or you're thinking about buying, don't skip this because I'll break it down in a very simple way. No hype, just reality. Let's start with Planet Labs. Ticker PL. Right now, Planet Labs has been trading in the low single-digit range, roughly around $2 to $4 depending on market conditions. Now, a lot of people see this price and think it's just a cheap penny stock. But that's where most people get it wrong. Planet Labs is not about today's price. It's about building something massive for the future. They operate a large fleet of satellites that scan the entire Earth on a daily basis. Not weekly updates, not monthly reports. Daily global imaging. That means every single day, they are generating massive amounts of Earth data. And this data is not useless. It is used by governments, agriculture companies, climate researchers, insurance firms, and defense organizations. Basically, anyone who needs to understand what is happening on Earth in real time. So what is Planet Labs actually building? Think of it as a live digital copy of the Earth. Every forest, every city, every crop field, every movement captured continuously. Now here's the key point. The satellites are not the real value. The real value is the data ecosystem they are building. Because in the future, data will be one of the most powerful assets in the world. And Planet Labs is sitting directly in that trend. But let's be honest, this company is still not consistently profitable. That means this is still a high-risk, early-stage growth story. It moves based on contracts, expectations, and future potential, not stability. Now let's talk about BlackSky. Ticker BKSY. BlackSky usually trades in the mid-single digit to near $10 range, depending on market momentum. Unlike Planet Labs, BlackSky is more focused on real-time intelligence. So instead of building a massive global mapping system, they focus on speed, fast satellite updates, real-time surveillance, defense-grade intelligence. Think of it like this. Planet Labs is building a wide-angle global map. BlackSky is building a high-zoom tactical lens for critical moments. That's the core difference. BlackSky's strength is speed and responsiveness. But that also comes with a trade-off, volatility, because their performance is heavily dependent on government and defense. Contracts. When contracts are strong, the stock can move sharply upward. But when there is weakness or delays, it can drop just as fast. So it behaves more like a high-risk momentum stock. Now let's compare both directly. Planet Labs on the scale, long-term data infrastructure, global coverage. BlackSky fast to speed, real-time intelligence, defense-focused niche. If you're thinking long-term, Planet Labs looks more like a slow-building data giant. If you are thinking short-term trading, BlackSky can give faster moves, but with higher risk. Now here is the twist most people miss. This entire industry is not just about satellites anymore. It's about AI plus satellite data combined. The company that can combine artificial intelligence with Earth observation data effectively will control a huge future market. And right now, Planet Labs is slowly but steadily building in that direction. But let's be real. Neither company is fully stable yet. Both are still dependent on contracts and external demand. So this is not a safe investment category. This is a high-risk, high-reward sector. Now my personal opinion. If I had to choose one for long-term holding, I would lean toward Planet Labs because it feels more scalable, more structured, and more likely to survive long-term competition. BlackSky, on the other hand, feels more like a trading stock. More upside spikes, but less consistency. Now, prediction-wise, just my opinion, not financial advice, Planet Labs could potentially deliver multi-year upside if execution improves and demand grows. Something like 2x to 5x over a long term. Horizon is possible in a strong scenario. BlackSky could still deliver sharp short-term spikes, but long-term stability is the bigger question. So to simplify everything, Planet Labs is the builder, BlackSky is the sprinter. And in most industries, builders survive longer. Now I want to ask you directly, if you had to pick only one for the next 5 years, which one would it be? Planet Labs or BlackSky? And if you want more deep stock breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel, because next time, we're going to break another hidden space stock that most retail investors are completely ignoring. And it might surprise you.